Make money online. Reseller hosting. Web hosting. Start your own web hosting business. Welcome to Wagaty. Ready to become your own boss and earn online? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of reseller hosting and web hosting, two powerful tools to kickstart your online income journey. Discover everything you need to know, from www.wagaty.com to actionable steps to get started today. Specific ideas. Focus on the benefits. Tired of the 9 to 5? Learn how reseller hosting and web hosting can unlock your earning potential. Highlight the ease. No tech experience needed. We'll guide you through setting up and managing your own web hosting business. Target specific audiences: aspiring entrepreneurs, bloggers, or freelancers. This video is for you. Learn how to leverage web hosting for success. Address common concerns. Worried about technical aspects? We'll address common concerns and provide clear solutions. Create a call to action. Ready to take control of your financial future? Download our free guide on getting started with reseller hosting.